It's January, so it is a lucky bag season. And the first lucky bag I have to show you is the one from Tatcha, whoop, that just showed up on my doorstep yesterday. If you're not familiar with lucky bags, the one that most people go all crazy about is the one by Beautylish. That has not shipped yet. That will be shipping around January 20th, so I hope to have the video up for that shortly. I have done my Beautylish Lucky Bag review for, gosh, 4 or 5 years now, and I have done a Tatcha Lucky Bag review once a couple of years ago. I think it was in 2017, so I guess about 3 years ago, since it's now 2020. I thought I would do a little roll of the dice again here. Plus, I had a couple products that I wanted to try out that I hadn't yet. So the way it worked for this one was you didn't just buy your lucky bag. With Beautylish, you can buy a $75 lucky bag or $150 lucky bag, and you're guaranteed well over double your money in products on those. And they have a super wide range of products that they carry, everything from, you know, like Viseart to Hourglass. I mean, they just have so many different brands that are awesome, and they have skincare brands, and Jeffree Star, they have all different kinds. But with Tatcha, the way it works is if you spend $100 on products during this certain time, just a certain little window that they give you, you will get a lucky bag that is worth $100 in products. Now, last time I did this with Tatcha, it was all kind of travel size products, but I did see that a couple people got full size, so I had my fingers crossed that this time it would be something full-sized in there, so we will see. Before we go further, I just wanted to say hello. If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad that you're here. I'm Nicole, I'm 52 years old, and I live in the San Francisco Bay Area. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. Hey, it's free. And if you could give this video a like, that would be awesome. Tatcha packaging is always beautiful, so of course the box that they sent looks super, super nice. In this envelope, I'm guessing is my receipt. Whoop, yes. Oh wow, a handwritten note too. Well, that's kind of cool. So it says, "Dear Nicole, enjoy these treasures." And then you're able to choose some samples, and I chose a deep cleanse, the pearl, which is an eye treatment, and there are 3 different colors of it, and then the silk canvas. So those were my little samples that I got. Just like Sephora, you can choose some samples. And then for my products, I chose a Violet C Brightening Serum. I'm a giant C serum person, and I thought I would try theirs, that I've never tried it before. The other thing I got was this, the Kissu Lip Mask. I sleep every night with lip balm or lip mask on, so I thought I would try this because I haven't yet. And I think it's pretty new, actually. All right, let's get to the Fukubukuro, or the lucky bag, and I had my fingers really crossed that I'm getting something full size. But I've been looking at videos that other people have done, and it's kind of been like a face mask, a couple under eye masks, and then some travel size stuff. So let's see what's in here. Ta-da! Okay, yep, I kind of got what I saw everybody else has gotten so far. This is the water cream. This is normal to oily skin. It's a very lightweight type of a cream, and I will certainly use it, but for me it's probably not rich enough. Oh, it smells really good. So cute. This is the Luminous Deep Hydration Lifting Mask. I've used their sheet masks before. They've been quite nice. And then 2 sets of their Deep Hydration Revitalizing Eye Masks, and they say Luminous on them, so I should be luminous. This is the One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. I've used this before and it works fine, and the packaging is beautiful. I mean, this is, you know, just lovely, but I don't think that it's worth the money, because when I use my DHC or Biossance, or, oh God, I used to love the one by Derma, but they discontinued it. They're the best rose cleansing oil ever. I should go online and see if anyone is still selling that stuff. I love it. Those I think did just as well and were not as expensive. Oh, and look, I got the Camellia Lip Balm. Okay, so this is a lip balm, and it has some color to it. Doesn't really have much of a fragrance. A little bit sweet, but I'm not smelling like major vanilla or something like that. Ooh, and it has some gold flecks in it. Look at that. Okay, I'm excited about this. I look forward to trying this. By the way, this is actual 23 karat gold, those little flecks that I was showing you in here. I looked at the little card that came with the lucky bag, and it says that it's a sheer blush of rose and a hint of 23 karat gold. Not 24 karat, 23. So I just looked up all these products on my phone and I'll give you the pricing breakdown of everything. The eye masks are $12 each, or if you buy a 10 pack, they are $9.50 each. This mask is $25 for one, or you can buy a pack of 4 for $95. That brings you down to $23.75. This little water cream is $20 for the travel size. The Camellia cleansing oil is $15, and this lip balm is $35. So you're looking at a grand total of, depending if you bought the multi-pack of the masks or not, $107 worth of products here, or $103.25. So my take on this Lucky Bag, again, is it's nice if you wanted to buy these Tatcha products anyway to get all this stuff. This would be a good time to, you know, kind of place some orders for things that you wanted anyhow and get these extras if there's stuff you want to buy anyway. I kind of picked up the products, you know, I did want to try them and I will certainly use them, but I don't know if I'd go out of my way to pick up this Lucky Bag unless you're just looking to try a whole bunch of Tatcha products. Then it's great. But if you're looking to kind of get a lot of bang for your buck, like on my Beautylish Lucky Bag, when I one time, you know, I got the XL bag and I got a full size, the large Natasha Denona, the purple blue palette. I mean, that was like, whoa. I mean, I think I like got triple what I paid for. I think it was like $500 worth of stuff or something like that in that Lucky Bag. This isn't that kind of Lucky Bag. So I'm not saying it's not worth it, especially if you needed to purchase and stock up on some things anyway. That would be the good time to do it. But if you're looking for a bang for your buck, I've looked at a lot of people's videos from 2020 and I didn't see that anyone got a full-size product. And I kind of would like that, even if they just scattered them throughout. I mean, I know they're trying to get you to try more of their products if you haven't yet, but it would be really cool if maybe 1 in every 20 people got, you know, some really cool bonus thing in there. And maybe they are, and maybe I just haven't seen them yet. But I think that would be really cool. You know, I guess it's that gambling thing. You know, like when you get a, you know, subscription box or do these Lucky Bags, you kind of, even if you don't win, you want to see somebody else win. So I'm really hoping somebody gets some full size, something awesome in theirs. And instead of all this, just a full size product that's cool, and maybe they make it like a $125 product or a couple full-size products that add up to over $100. I think that would be a little bit more exciting for me personally. But you know, hey, I'm looking forward to trying out the C serum and that lip balm I will totally use, and I'm very excited about this. And whoops, I've received these before in, I don't know what, maybe it was an Ipsy event or something, and very, very nice quality products. So certainly not complaining. If you enjoyed this video, would love if you hit that subscribe button and gave this video a like. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And oh, right now some stuff should be popping up telling you some different videos you might like to watch. If you could stay on longer, that is awesome. And if not, thank you so much for spending your time with me. And it's not goodbye, but so long till next time. I hope to see you soon.